welcome back to my channel, Felts in Love. Hope everyone's having a great weekend. We went to Wade's little exhibition thing yesterday, Saturday. Wasn't very many competitors there, so it was very kind of low-key, but he did enjoy himself, and I did put a short out there on my channel if anybody's interested in seeing him bench press. But it was a powerlifting exhibition. I think it was more for them to tell the parents what the new rules and everything are with regards to the Special Olympics. It was a little bit frustrating for us, but I'm not going to go into all that. But just wanted to come on and show a few things that I've done this weekend. I got this little lamb, and we made it in the style like we did the dog in my previous video. If you haven't seen that, you can go out there and search for that. But I did it in that same style, but it's just a little lamb. This is sold, so he'll be going to his new home. So he won't be on my eBay site. But I have another one. This one's a little grumpy lamb, and he will be on my eBay. He is on my eBay site now. If anybody's interested and wants to go out there and check this guy out, he is on my website, and I will link my eBay store in the description box below. And then I've got this one. He turned out so cute. What a cute little bunny this is. I think he's one of the best little bunnies I've probably made. And I love making bunnies, so Easter is a good time for me and my creations, because I love making bunnies. But there he is, and he will be on my eBay site this evening. But he turned out really, really cute. I tried to make a moss-covered rock. It didn't turn out very well. I'm going to keep working on it and see if I can perfect that a little bit to put in my dioramas. But this is my little yellow bunny, and he'll be on my eBay store tonight. And then I saw a video, and I will link her video in the description box below. Crochet was one of my very first loves, and my hands have gotten so bad I can't crochet like I'd like to. But she made this little basket, I guess you could call it, and the ears go inside themselves, so it's kind of a self-closure type thing. And it was really easy to crochet. Didn't hurt my hands too bad. Now I don't know how I'm gonna feel tonight, but and she used the I don't know what you call them, the little snap-on eyes and nose that you can get, for stuffed animals or whatever. And because I don't like to use anything like that, I just need a felted mine. So I need a felted my eyes and my nose. And then you can put, like she put candy and stuff, and I probably will too. But I didn't have any Easter candy on hand, so I just put some embellishment boxes in there. So that would be good to give somebody, a crafty friend or something. Maybe a little bunny basket like this with a couple of these little clear containers with some type of embellishment in it, and then you just close it up with the 2 ears, and there you go. You have a cute little basket. I'm gonna actually use mine, and I actually did some crochet, because my mother-in-law, she had suggested that I put some of my crochet things on my channel. And my hands hurt so bad, so I can't do them very often, but so I kind of went by her advice, and I'm gonna do a few little crochet things, but this is one of them. And then I made another one. I didn't have the same kind of yarn she used, the chunky yarn, so my ears don't stand up as well because the yarn is not as sturdy. But I made these 2 little guys, and I'm thinking, because we go to my mother-in-law's house for Easter, for the kids and us all to get together. And I truly appreciate her. If you're watching, thank you so much for letting us invade your home and have Easter dinner. But we'll probably go this Easter, and I always give my kids a little something, so probably what I'm going to do is fill this up with some kind of goodies for them. And then I made these little cards, and they're like ones I think I've shown before, but I'm going to just probably attach a money or a gift card or something in here. I've got one showing a gift card where you can just put a gift card in here. And I just put some washi stickers. And I'll probably put something else on the other side, on this side. I'm probably not finished embellishing this. I'll probably put something down here, but I just wanted to come on and show you something I'm going to do. But I made that one, and I made this one, and I made this one. So it's just something I'm gonna put together, give my kids for Easter. But I just wanted to come on and show you a few little things I was working on. And that's pretty much it. I have a few things coming in the mail, and so hopefully in a couple of days I'll be able to bring you a small little haul. But that's what I have for today. I hope everyone has a great rest of their weekend. And if you like this content, please hit that like button. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. It would help my channel grow. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for everything, everyone. I love you all so much. God bless. Bye-bye.